Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send money to someone halfway across the globe, but the traditional methods seemed too complicated or expensive? In today's interconnected world, sending money internationally has become a necessity for many people. Whether it's to support family, pay for education, or simply transfer funds between accounts, there's a growing demand for convenient and affordable solutions. Introducing PaySend, that's where PaySend comes in. PaySend is a revolutionary platform that's making international money transfers faster, easier, and more cost-effective than ever before. Mission statement: at the heart of PaySend's mission is a simple yet powerful goal: to connect people worldwide through seamless money transfers. We believe that everyone deserves access to affordable and reliable financial services, regardless of their location. How PaySend works. Let's break down how PaySend works. The platform leverages cutting-edge technology to provide a user-friendly experience. All you need to do is create an account, select your preferred currency, enter the recipient's details, and choose your payment method. PaySend takes care of the rest, ensuring your funds are transferred securely and efficiently. Key benefits of using PaySend. There are several compelling reasons why people choose PaySend for their international money transfers. Speed. PaySend prides itself on its rapid transfer times. In many cases, funds can be received within minutes or hours, allowing for timely financial support. Affordability. PaySend offers competitive exchange rates and transparent fees, making it a cost-effective option compared to traditional banks and money transfer services. Security. PaySend employs robust security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Your transactions are encrypted, and the platform adheres to industry-leading standards to safeguard your funds. Convenience. The PaySend app and website provide a user-friendly interface, making it easy to send money from the comfort of your home or on the go. Global reach. PaySend operates in numerous countries, allowing you to send money to a wide range of destinations worldwide. Testimonials. To get a better understanding of PaySend's impact, let's hear from some satisfied customers. Insert testimonials from real users who have benefited from PaySend's services. Behind the scenes, while PaySend offers a seamless user experience, there's a dedicated team working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the platform's smooth operation. From software developers to customer support representatives, everyone is committed to providing exceptional service. The future of PaySend. As technology continues to evolve, PaySend is constantly exploring new ways to innovate and improve its services. The company is committed to staying at the forefront of the financial technology industry and expanding its reach to even more countries. In conclusion, PaySend is more than just a money transfer service. It's a platform that empowers individuals and businesses to connect with loved ones and conduct financial transactions effortlessly. With its speed, affordability, security, and convenience, PaySend is revolutionizing the way we send money internationally. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to send money abroad, we encourage you to try PaySend. Visit our website or download our app to get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.